one most important lesson learned from the webinar, inilagay ko po dyan is marriage is a special contract. Kasi for me, ito po yung marriage, ito yung union between a man and a woman, and for me, napaka-importante ng kasal kasi ito yung magbabahin sa inyong dalawa ng mapapangasawa mo or ng partner mo legally. And side 2 surprising facts learned from the webinar. Yung una po is yung second degree cousins na pwede na pala siya, pwede na pala ikasal sa isa't isa kasi ang alam ko po is yung second degree cousins hindi pa pwede na kahit maging boyfriend or girlfriend man lang kasi masyado pang malapit na kamag-anak, ganun. And yung pangalawa naman po is yung in Hong Kong, you can have a proxy po at your wedding. Ito naman sabi ni attorney is, if ever lang naman magkaroon daw po ng problem sa groom or sa bride, pwede. Pero, ang amazing lang na, pwede sa kanila yon kasi dito sa Pilipinas, wala pa naman po akong, naririnig na pwede. And next naman yung describe and explain 3 values derived from the webinar. So, yung una po is importance ng Philippine Family Code. So, pinakita po sa webinar kung ano yung mga batas na pwedeng malaman natin and mai-apply natin sa buhay natin. And next naman po yung importance ng marriage. So, yung validity po and yung rights and obligation na mag-asawa sa isa't isa na ipakita po yun ng webinar. And yung requisites of marriage, sinasabi nga na yung marriage is a special contract. So, and pinapakita po talaga sa requisite of marriage na kung kaano ka-importante yung marriage mo legally. And yung last, naman po, share for specific and personal commitment you intend to do as a result of the webinar. Yung una ko pong nilagay dyan is advocate for family rights. So, if ever po given a chance to advocate po for the rights and well-being of families as outlined sa ating Philippine Family Code, I want to support po the initiatives that promotes family unity, yung protection po sa children, and yung equal treatment po sa mga spouse in marital relationships. And yung next naman po is promote family unity. Kasi promoting family unity po is mahalaga, and dahil ito ay kayang magbuklod ng mga kapamilya and it can also help the family to be stronger. And yung third naman po is yung raise awareness about the Philippine Family Code. Mahalaga po na mapalawak pa yung mga kaalaman natin tungkol sa Philippine Family Code. Siyempre para magbigay gabay pa sa mga pamilya sa kanilang karapatan at responsibilidad at para malaman nila ito. And last naman po is yung respect the family rights. So, respecting family rights po, pinapalakas pa nito yung respeto at dignidad sa kalagayan ng bawat kasapi sa ating pamilya and mas mapagbubuklod pa po nito yung mga pamilya at napapalakas pa yung ugnayan sa bawat isa.